gives them a purpose. School holidays, for that length of time when you're away from school, for some children it's great. For some families it's quite a lonely, tough time. But the HAF provide enrichment activities, sporting activities, a sense of purpose, a place to belong. I love when I come in, the children, even children from different schools. I was talking to a child the other day. I said, "Is that your best friend?" He said, "No, I've only met them this week." It's children from different schools, gives them an opportunity to be creative, to get involved with sports, arts and crafts. And for parents as well, it just gives parents that a little bit of respite, and just it can be a tough time for a lot of people, and HAF just provide a wonderful opportunity for families all over the country, especially in Stoke-on-Trent.